So today we are going to see new Visual Studio Code update. So in new latest VS Code, so there is one feature added by VS Code, that is they have introduced the Copilot free feature to use in VS Code. To use it, so you have to install or upgrade your VS Code to the latest version. So when you install the VS Code, you can able to see this icon at top header. So this is the Copilot icon. So when you click on it, so you're able to see the right side you can see the chat window. So to demonstrate it, so I have created one React application and added one components. This is a child one component. So I can use Copilot to add some code into my component. So let's see how you can do it. So for this, I have added the child1.jsx as a context. So by default, it will take this child1.jsx as a context. So I can ask query to the Copilot, that is create one login form using child1 CSS includes create form. Yeah. So see, you can see that it has generated a React form. So what I can do, I can remove it, I can insert it here. Now let's see how it will browser. Yeah, you can see this login form is added. So like this, you can use Copilot and generate your code as per your request. Even it will fix the errors also. If for example, if I am using the hook form and I have not imported this, so you can see this is given the error that the user form is not defined. I just ask query to the Copilot, resolve error of this component. See, it has imported this use form in the component. So if we can use it again, you can insert it. You can see the form is working correctly. Yeah, thank you guys.